have a feeling this will be my best haul ever. Hello everyone, I'm so happy because yesterday evening we hit 50k subscribers, yay! Guys, thank you so much for being here, for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. I've never imagined that my channel will grow so much and so many of you will be watching me. I still can't believe it. I'm so happy that you guys are enjoying my videos. Thank you so much for the support. I feel that I'm getting an Oscar here. I kiss you and I hug you and thank you again. So today I have a special fall luxury haul video for you. Yeah, I can't wait to show you what I picked up. The box is absolutely massive. I'm not even sure if I can show you it. It's not that heavy, but it's just so big. You can't even see me anymore. So this is the box, and inside this box there is, ta-da, another box. So today I'll be unboxing some luxury items that I bought online. I have something from Gucci, something from Fendi, and another item from Gucci. So if you're interested and want to see what I picked up and some cool fall winter luxury stuff, keep watching and don't forget to hugging the box here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, like this video if you enjoyed it, and also don't forget to come follow me on my other social media platforms. Come say hi on my Instagram. I upload after the day pictures. You can see my feed here. I'll insert a short clip and I also show you my new purchases there, and yeah, I do daily outfit of the days. I also show you my new favorite items, so if you're interested I'll link my Instagram down below in the description box. Okay, so let me see, how do I unbox this massive box? Right, we have the invoice here with the prices, and that's the big yellow box. Okay, hold on, I need to put this box down. If you can guys see my Hello Kitty pajama, yes, I'm filming with my pajama on, and this box is impossible to get out. Okay, so I'm back and I have the big yellow box, so let's open it. I wish you could see what I'm seeing right now, but I'll try to show you. Oh, it's so nicely packaged. I think I'll start with Fendi. Alright, let's start with Fendi. Alright, so I ordered something from Fendi and these were new in. You can tell from the packaging it's a pair of sunnies. And oh my god, you are probably thinking, Maria, why do you buy sunglasses for fall and winter? But when I show you them, you will know why. I think they're the perfect pair for fall. These are the perfect fall sunglasses, and it's actually sunny right now. If they suit me, these are the sunglasses, I will wear them today. So actually, let's talk about this packaging, guys. It's so beautiful. I have the same one in black, but this bright red one, wow. Alright, these are the sunglasses, and let me actually have a look because I haven't seen them. I've never seen them in stores. These are the sunglasses. Let's see if it's showing. Can you guys see the Fendi logo all over them? Like, it's on the frame, on the side frame. It has this beautiful gold F logo. This is the new Fendi logo that's on their bags and their earrings. And actually, now that I mentioned earrings, if you guys have these big round Fendi FF hoops, let me know if they're heavy because I really want to buy them. But if they're heavy, I might not buy them. So yeah, anyway, these are the sunglasses. Let's try them on. This tag is really annoying. Why didn't they put the tag on the side? Like, so annoying. But let's try them on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I hate the tag. What do you guys think? Do they suit me? Okay, let me see them in the mirror behind me. I think they do. I think they suit me. What do you guys think? Do you like them? I think these are perfect for fall. Fendi logo is so hot right now and it's my favorite logo. You know that this season brands are going crazy with logos on their clothes, their bags, their accessories. It is a big trend for fall and winter. So I decided to pick these up and I definitely don't regret it. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. I picked these up because of the frame. I thought the frame is perfect for fall. These are the perfect fall accessory and I can't wait to rock them outside. I actually think this color suits my complexion really well because of my hair color. So let me know guys if you like them. You know that Fendi is my favorite brand and I'm really happy to be adding a really cool accessory, very trendy for the season. I think the design of the sunglasses and the color and the print it gives me like retro vibes, but like cool retro vibes. The lens is black and it's not very dark. Actually, it's quite I'm not sure if you can see my eyes. Can you guys see my eyes? But yeah, these are the sunglasses and I'm definitely keeping them. Yes, I love them. Oh, they're so beautiful. Alright, next I want to show you what I picked up from Gucci. The next two items are from Gucci and I'll start with this big box. I'm actually really excited to see what's in this box because I've never seen this item in store as well, and I saw it online and I literally screamed at the screen. It's a pair of shoes. I know, I've been buying so many shoes lately, but these are the shoes. You get two dust bags. These are gorgeous satiny Gucci dust bags. Let's open these. Oh my god, I haven't seen them. I really hope they fit well, because I think these got sold out. These are a pair of boots. Oh my god. Oh, the detail. I love these. Oh my god, the detail, guys. You should see the detail on the inside. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I got a bit too excited. Okay, so these are the boots that I picked up and I love them. So these came in two colors. They had them in this brown color. They also had another gorgeous pair that was black, all black, but I ended up buying these because I thought these are more interesting and different. So these are the boots. They have this tiny heel. The heel height is perfect. I love it because I can't wear high heels. And guys, you should see the detail. I'll definitely insert a clip so you can see all the detail, the beautiful detail. Look at the detail on the zip. It says Gucci. Look at them on the inside. The leather inside is so beautiful. It has this beautiful flower print. I really love the little Gigi logo on the front because it's not too much, it's not too in your face, and the color is perfection. There are these gorgeous brown suede brown, almost like caramelly brown color. I love the little buckles on the side with the gold buckle detail, the patent detail on the toe cap, which reminds me a bit of Chanel. Chanel always have this black cap, toe cap. Hopefully they will fit. I got mine in a size 38. Gucci sizing is a bit weird, so I really hope these will fit well because I think this color is sold out now. I think they had a few sizes left. The black ones I think are still available, but I'll try to find them guys for you and link them down below in the description box if you're interested and if you want to purchase these. I really loved how they styled these on the website as well. They styled them with this beautiful cardigan, Gucci cardigan that I'm obsessed with and I really wanted to buy, but I can't justify spending that much money for one cardigan. Like, it's insane, but it's so beautiful. and I actually realized that I have a very similar cardigan that will go really nicely with these boots. So I'll copy their styling idea a little bit, but the cardigan I have is old, so unfortunately I won't be able to link it. I'll try to find something similar, but I can't stop thinking about this Gucci cardigan. It's so stunning. Definitely check it out. I'll link it down below. I will let you know if they fit true to size or not. As I mentioned, I got mine in size 38 and I'm between sizes 37 and a half, and that's UK 4.5. So yeah, these are the boots. Let me know if you like them. Okay, I have one more item from Gucci that I want to show you, and it's wrapped in tissue paper. I actually didn't tell you guys. I had such a massive headache the other day because I was so annoyed that I didn't get my parcel on time. My Teresa, I love shopping from your website. Please do not use UPS to send your packages. UPS is the worst. I had a huge fight with them on the phone. They really annoyed me. They did not apologize. I sent so many emails and I was like literally shaking and crying because I really wanted my package, but it was like a really horrible experience. Okay, rant over. So the next item that I want to show you is an accessory, and it's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
He's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
This is so cute. The colors. Oh my god, guys. Oh, this is so cute. It is a Gucci scarf. Oh my god, look at the colors. And it's so fluffy. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at the color. Oh my god, yes. So this, guys, is my next item, and it's this beautiful Gucci scarf. Oh my god, yes. Look at the pink color. So let's talk about this gorgeous scarf. I literally don't want to take it off. I'm gonna stay like this and talk about this scarf because it's so beautiful. So I was browsing in the new arrivals section and I saw this and I instantly added it to my basket and I ordered this. A few days later, I was thinking, while waiting for my package to arrive, I was thinking, why did I order this scarf? I won't be able to style it. It is such bright colors, the pink. I was like, oh my god, this will be such a big challenge to style. So I started looking online how they styled it. I went back to the My Teresa website to see how they styled it. I didn't like how they styled it on there, so I went to other websites. I found it on the Gucci website, the official Gucci website, and I saw how they styled the scarf there, and I was like, yes, oh my god, this looks absolutely stunning with this denim jacket. And I thought, yes, of course I can style it with denim jackets. It's great for this weather right now in London. It's like 15-20 degrees, but it's a bit chilly, so with a denim jacket, a nice polo underneath, and this for like a very casual chic look, and a pair of sneakers, I think it will look awesome. It's cool that it has the pink side and this gorgeous like dark grayish blue, I would say, side as well, so you can wear it both sides. I don't know which one I prefer more. I kind of like the pink side more. So this scarf is made in Italy and it is 53% alpaca and 47% wool. It's not itchy, it's actually very soft, and it's not like irritating when I... Actually, if you have a very sensitive skin, this might be a bit irritating for you, I'll be honest, I'm not gonna lie to you. But because of the alpaca, probably. Because I have alpaca sweaters and they're a bit itchy, like my mom doesn't like them. I wanted to give her a few of my jumpers when she was visiting and she really liked them, but when she tried them on, she was like, take them back, I don't want them because they're very itchy. I can wear it because I'm used to the jumpers. I don't mind as long as it looks cute. I will wear it. It's It's actually quite fluffy. Hopefully this won't fluff up too much, because if you're wearing a lip gloss or fake eyelashes, the fluffs could be a bit annoying. But so far I've been holding this, trying it on, and no fluffs on my face yet. Yeah, I think the quality is really good, and it's so adorable. I really like this scarf. I think it will be one of my favorite fall accessories to style. And yeah, this is my final item that I wanted to show you in this haul. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed this luxury haul video. I feel so fall and winter ready, and I can't wait to style these items. If you want to see how I style them, don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you would be able to see my outfit of the day pictures and how I styled all these. And yeah, I'm really happy with this haul. I think this is probably one of my best hauls. Maybe because the things are new and I'm really excited and I love all of them, and they're all so different, but they're all gorgeous and the perfect fall accessories. If I inspired you to make a purchase, don't forget to check the description box down below, because everything will be linked. I always try to find everything and link it down below so it's easier for you to shop and find. So that's all for today. A massive thank you again for being here and supporting me and commenting and liking my videos. Sending you lots of hugs and kisses, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.